काफ़ी सारे कस्टमर्स की गालियाँ मिलती थी स्टार्टिंग में, ठीक है, ऑर्डर टाइम से डिलीवर नहीं होते थे, ड्रॉप शिपिंग करते थे हम लोग, वेंडर्स दे यूज्ड टू नॉट डिस्पैच इट, राइट, काफ़ी सारी दिक्कतें हुई, बट हमने काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें सीखी जर्नी के अंदर, राइट। तो हर दिन मज़ा आता था, एवरी डे वाज अ लर्निंग फॉर अस। शुरू कर लो यार, इंडिया का यही समय है और आपका भी यही समय है।
Hello, everybody. Welcome to the very first episode of Biking and Beyond. Biking and Beyond is a series brought to you by Sperify, where we bring bikers from across the globe and share their experiences and insights with you guys. Their successes, their failures, their hardships, everything. For our very first guests, we have a biker turned into a founder, the person who started it all, the founder of Sperify, Rishabh Jain.
आई कम फ्रॉम अ टिपिकल मारवाड़ी फैमिली, तो धंधा समझ आता है मैं। आई एम born and brought up in a very small town in Karnataka. It's called Manvi, where we had like a very limited opportunities. So eventually I had to move out for studies,
Right.
wherein I met a lot of people from different states, different countries, different religion, and eventually now I'm here in Bangalore building Sperify, a brand which is built for bikers community.
When you say a brand built for bikers community, I would like to know that is it your love for bikes which made you start Sperify, or you were interested into this business? How did it all start?
I'm born biker. Okay. So bikes are something which are really fascinated me.
Okay.
And there's like a very small story behind it. Okay. So how Sperify started. Back in times, I used to ride a lot. Okay. And I actually wanted a part for myself, and it typically took like 2 weeks to arrive. Then I thought कि यार ये ऐसा क्यों है? Why isn't anyone solving this problem? Right? It's actually a genuine problem which has to be solved. Right? If you look at like last 5-10 years, there's barely any company who has catered specifically to mid and mid premium vehicles,
Okay.
and that's where we come into the picture. That's how Sperify started.
Okay. So you were a biker, you faced a problem, you wanted to find a solution, and hence you started Sperify, right? So before getting into whole dynamic model of Sperify, I would like to know why Sperify, यार? ये यही नाम क्यों? Why not anything else?
It's actually a fun story. ठीक है?
Okay.
So it was like 12 in the night. I was sitting with one of my friend on a Zoom call. We were deciding a lot of brand names कि यार क्या रखना है, क्या करना है, वो तो समझ आ गया.
हाँ.
अब brand का नाम क्या रखना है? So we possibly tried like more than 500-600 names. कि यार इस कंपनी का नाम उठा लिया, उस कंपनी का, we tried mix and match. And eventually something popped into my mind. I was like, there's Shopify, there is Spotify, why not spare parts का Sperify यार? So that's how Sperify came into picture. Yeah, it's Shopify, Spotify, and Sperify. Yeah.
Because for any business, okay, to get its first set of orders, है ना, वो सबसे ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्ट होता है उनके लिए, बिकॉज अभी स्टार्ट किया है, कोई जानता नहीं है उतना, हम फिर भी काम कर रहे हैं अपना, you know, to get our name out in the market. So from 0 to 100 to 500,000, and now you guys have touched 10,000. Congratulations. So how is your journey from 0 to 1,000 to 10,000?
So यार, our journey started with 2 interns at home.
Okay.
हमने 2 डेस्क लगा दिया घर पे, 2 लैपटॉप दे दिए उनको, ठीक है. We used to take orders from Instagram, WhatsApp, calls पे, like orders आ रहे हैं Instagram पे, WhatsApp पे, photos डाल रहे हैं, ठीक है, and all those things. And I used to get the products from market. I used to pack by myself and I used to dispatch it every day.
तो मतलब no inventory.
No inventory, zero inventory. ठीक है. तो कुछ देर बाद थोड़ा दिन ऐसे ही बीत गया, ठीक है. We took a small office. We were doing the same thing कि यार Instagram पे ऑर्डर लो, WhatsApp पे ऑर्डर लो, वही चल रहा था, ठीक है. Nothing changed. The only one thing which changed was numbers. थोड़ा हमारा सेल्स बढ़ गया, ठीक है. But again I thought कि यार कब तक? That's when I realized कि यार ये तो भैया मैं नहीं कर सकता, ठीक है. I reached out to couple of founders. I went to a lot of startup meets, conclaves, all these things, right? Spoke to them personally, understood कि यार वो अपना brand कैसे बना रहे. I tried to understand how do we actually scale the business, how tech plays an importance while scaling the business. उसके बाद like after like 3 months I guess we took like a bigger space. It was like full 2 floors, ठीक है. we solely focused on scaling after that. We built technology. We asked our offline customer, Instagram, WhatsApp पे जो भी आ रहे थे, right? उनको बोला कि भैया नया वेबसाइट बनाया हमने, इस पे खरीद लो, ठीक है? Whatever you require. We just used to push. So that's how we got a first set of customers buying from our website.
Okay.
ठीक है? And from then we never turned back. Care, we are a small team of people with high dreams.
Since you mentioned that you built technology, built a website and everything, so at this point, Sperify is totally an e-com brand?
Yeah, it's a fully e-com brand. Yeah.
Okay. So
70% we are doing 75% I'd say we are a D2C brand. 25% we do offline as well. Yeah.
Since you said that it is now majorly an e-commerce brand, so I want to know that how did you scale organically, and how did digital marketing play a role in all of this?
Okay. Yeah, so the whole perspective on marketing, technology, everything changed with that one person, Akshay Jain. He's a very good friend of mine and also happens to be a D2C founder. Literally, every day we used to brainstorm for hours and hours. Kya, how Google Ads performs, Facebook Ads कैसे चलता है, कस्टमर एक्सपीरियंस को बेटर कैसे किया जा सकता है, हाउ कस्टमर थिंक्स, ठीक है, टेक्नोलॉजी एक ब्रांड को बिल्ड करने में कितना वैल्यू ऐड करता है. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स वी यूज्ड टू डिस्कस एवरी डे. ठीक है, यू लिटरली कैन नॉट इमेजिन back in those days when we actually started, right, our monthly ad spend was somewhere around 4,000 to 5,000, like monthly ad spend. ठीक है, because I was super skeptical on यार what if I put money and never get outcome of it. But Akshay taught me everything कि यार marketing ऐसे चलता है, इसको ऐसा किया जा सकता है and all those things. And from there on till today we are putting like a lakhs of money every month and we are quite happy with the result we are getting. There's one more thing which actually changed the entire game was content.
Right.
We have put in lot of time, energy, money in building content, educating our customers. Because honestly, content के बाद ना काफी game change हो गया हमारा. We also work with a lot of influencers, motovloggers, ठीक है, to promote our brand so that we are visible to mass audience. But the crazy part is these influencer whom we went to कि यार approach हमने करा कि यार हमारे brand को promote कर दो, ठीक है, but eventually those guys actually turned out to be our paid customers. They actually loved what we are doing. They're quite happy with the kind of products which are available in our website and not really anywhere else. So now they have joined hands with Sperify, and that's what marketing plays roles in Sperify right now.
I really like how you just said ki, you know, the influencers we reached out to have we've converted them into our paid customers, है ना? Because a lot of times ऐसा होता है that we see मैं एक ब्रांड हूँ, आप एक इन्फ्लुएंसर हो, मैं आपको आऊँगी बोलूँगी मेरे को ये प्रमोट करना है, आप कर दो, आप बोलोगे ठीक है, बार्टर है, पैसे है, ठीक है दे दो, हो गया. But when an influencer or a promoter actually believes in your product, no, that's really nice because it shows how much value you're adding to the community, है ना? And in this whole process, I'm pretty sure you've met, you know, a number of people like different type of suppliers, customers, or you know, influencers for a matter of fact. So, are there any stories which have, you know, which have been stuck to you that ठीक है मेरे को यार ऐसा ये हुआ था एक बार मुझे अभी तक याद है, ऐसा कुछ है आपके पास?
I do have like a lot of stories. दो आपको बताता हूँ, ठीक है. First, we received an order around 2:30 in the afternoon. The customer was around 2 kilometers from our office.
Okay, मतलब आपके ऑफिस
से 2 किलोमीटर, ठीक है. Here, why don't I deliver it by myself? I got it packed. I went to his home, delivered it by myself.
Okay.
Very happy to see for a fact कि यार it was not available anywhere else, in the shelves, outside, in the market, anywhere else. And the customer was really happy. And that is something which I can still remember, okay? And one more story which gave us a lot of learnings was there was a customer from Assam जिनका एक prepaid order था around 24,560, ठीक है? We got
still
order.
remember the exact number.
Exactly, I still remember the exact number क्योंकि loss हुआ था यार, पूरा सुनिए, ठीक है? 24,560, ठीक है? We received an order, हमने immediately next day ship करा. ठीक है, ड्यू टू लॉजिस्टिक कंस्ट्रेंट पता नहीं क्या हुआ, द ऑर्डर वॉज लॉस्ट इन ट्रांसिट, ठीक है। उस टाइम हमको ये चीज की जानकारी नहीं थी कि लॉजिस्टिक का इंश्योरेंस भी आता है. वी लॉस्ट एन एंटायर अमाउंट, but we had to pay back to our customer.
Right.
It was not his mistake, right? We pay back to our customer. We bear the loss. From that time, we literally made sure that our last mile delivery is really good.
You just said that I talked to the customer when I went there, है ना? When you personally delivered. So, what do you think is the role of customer feedback in running this whole business?
Yeah. So I talk to our customers very often. ठीक है, those are the one who actually gives us insights on कि यार उनको क्या चाहिए यार, तो we build around it. Okay, we talk to them very often. We get an insights on the industry, about our brand. We take feedbacks from them. We take suggestions from them. We ask them कि भैया और क्या चाहिए आपको, where did we go good, where did we go wrong. ठीक है, so based on the feedbacks we get, we make sure कि हमने जो गलती करी उसको हम बेहतर करते हैं every time. So customer feedbacks plays a very important role whenever we build a startup. So yeah.
So for your growth, you know, you did mention there are so many things, है ना? But for 10,000 orders तक का आपका journey का, I think a lot of us know that motor parts, spare parts का business में it's very difficult to be profitable. है ना, because it's typically an industry जिसमें there are like very thin margins, है ना, because कोई already जो showroom में है वो बेच रहा है या फिर तो वो scrap parts को refurbish करके बेच रहा है.
Correct.
So being in an industry like this, how did you constantly maintain your profitability?
Yes, as you mentioned that we have a very thin margins, right?
Yeah.
But we have been profitable since day one.
Okay.
यार बचपन से पापा ने वही सिखाया ना यार, बिना प्रॉफिट के धंधा नहीं बनता है.
Every bunny ever.
एवरी बनी एवर, करेक्ट.
Yeah.
तो हम भी वही फॉलो करते हैं, ठीक है. बट आई ऑल्सो फर्मली बिलीव कि यार प्रॉफिट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग वी लुक एट अलॉन्ग विद द कस्टमर एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ कोर्स, ठीक है. बट आई डोंट रियली बिलीव इन कि यार while scaling your brand, ठीक है, you burn money or something like that, ठीक है.
Okay.
I'm not a firm believer of it. तो profitability has always been in mind, क्योंकि यार धंधा का बेसिक तो वही है, प्रॉफिट बनाओगे तो विल स्केल योर ब्रांड, राइट. तो नो मैटर हाउ एग्रेसिवली वी स्केल, प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी इज ऑलवेज कंसिडर्ड
Priority.
as a priority.
Right. I think a lot of us are, you know, still. So there are people who are watching us who are still in college, and there are people who are, you know, working right now, and they have experienced this phase in their college life. That एक point of time के बाद you're like stuck. कि अब क्या, कॉलेज तो ख़त्म हो रहा है, मस्ती कर ली सारी, ठीक है, पढ़ लिया, एग्जाम्स दे दिए जितना था, ठीक है, बट अब क्या करना है मेरे को. सो डू यू हैव एनी टिप्स फॉर पीपल हु आर स्टक देयर, एंड डू यू हैव एनी टिप्स फॉर पीपल हु वांट टू मेक देयर ड्रीम्स इनटू अ रियलिटी एंड मेक मनी आउट ऑफ इट?
Sure, I can clearly relate to this, right? So back in days when I just graduated from college, आई वॉज प्रीटी मच डूइंग, मतलब मैंने पहले भी स्टार्टअप्स करी है अलग अलग चीज़ों के अंदर, ठीक है. बट स्टिल कोविड आ गया बीच में, तो आई वॉज प्रीटी कंफ्यूज कि यार या तो जॉब लेके स्टार्टअप में घुसना है थोड़ा एक्सपीरियंस लेके, या फिर डायरेक्टली स्टार्टअप करना है. बट वॉट रियली केप्ट मी मोटिवेटेड एंड केप्ट मी गोइंग एंड लाइक मैंने इसीलिए शुरू करा क्यों, बिकॉज ऑफ बाइक्स. बाइक्स इज समथिंग विच रियली फैसिनेटेड मी एज आई मेंशन्ड अर्लियर, राइट. मैंने सोचा कि यार लेट्स डू दिस, नो मैटर हाउ बिग हाउ स्मॉल, शुरू करते हैं, बात का बाद में देखा जाएगा, ठीक है. हमने शुरू करा.
मतलब क्या एक कॉलेज में जब थे तब से ही यू स्टार्टेड, और लाइक आफ्टर यू ग्रेजुएट?
आई डिड अ लॉट ऑफ गिग्स व्हाइल आई वाज देयर इन कॉलेज, ठीक है. राइट आफ्टर आई ग्रेजुएटेड फ्रॉम कॉलेज आई जस्ट स्टार्टेड स्पेरिफाई लाइक अ ईयर और टू, ठीक है. वन थिंग आई लाइक टू से कि यार इट डजंट रियली मैटर हाउ बिग यू स्टार्ट, हाउ स्मॉल यू स्टार्ट, ऑल दैट मैटर्स इज लाइक यू एक्चुअली स्टार्ट, राइट. इवेंचुअली अब आपके जर्नी के अंदर आप गलतियां करोगे, आप लर्निंग्स होगे काफी सारे, बट दैट इज व्हाट इट मैटर्स, राइट.
So did you have times where you thought that you know, this is kind of getting boring, मेरे को मज़ा नहीं आ रहा है, it's so every day उठो सेम काम करो, orders लो, ठीक है, बस. did you face demotivation at some point in your whole journey?
यार काफी टाइम हुआ यार, like there was funds issue, ठीक है.
Okay.
I didn't really know anything about the market, घुस गया directly,
Okay.
ठीक है. काफ़ी सारे कस्टमर्स की गालियाँ मिलती थी स्टार्टिंग में, ठीक है, ऑर्डर टाइम से डिलीवर नहीं होते थे, ड्रॉप शिपिंग करते थे हम लोग, वेंडर्स डायरेक्टली दे यूज्ड टू नॉट डिस्पैच इट, राइट, काफ़ी सारी दिक्कतें हुई, बट हमने काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें सीखी जर्नी के अंदर, राइट। तो हर दिन मज़ा आता था, एवरी डे वाज अ लर्निंग फॉर अस, ठीक है, हर दिन नया गलती करा, नया कुछ सीखने मिला, एंड वी मेक श्योर कि यार गलती करी हमने, वी डोंट रिपीट इट अगेन, ठीक है। आई वाज नेवर स्केर्ड ऑफ कि यार गलतियां कर ली तो क्या हो जाएगा, व्हाट इफ आई लूज आउट ऑन मनी, आई वाज लाइक यार यही उम्र है, लेट्स गिव इट अ ट्राई, इट barely matters if I fail or lose because I have nothing to lose. The whole point is that I'm at rock bottom, the only thing I have is sky, ठीक है। तो to everyone who is starting out, right, तो I would only say one thing, यार doesn't really matter आप फेल हो गए या आप जीतोगे या हारोगे, राइट, what actually matters कि यार आपने वो चीज़ करा and you gave it a shot,
Right.
and when let's take it doesn't work out, at least you're happy for a fact here, the kind of people you worked with, the kind of experience you've got, your happy customers make everything worthwhile. So I'd say to everyone starting getting out of college right now, or maybe someone who's actually figuring out क्या जॉब करना है या फिर धंधा बनाना है, राइट, शुरू कर लो यार, इंडिया का यही समय है और आपका भी यही समय है, इट्स टाइम टू स्टार्ट।
Okay.